All right, we're back again. So J.P. Morgan, the CEO, Diamond Demon or Jamie Demon, decided to sell some of his stocks of Chase. It's a pretty large amount, I would say, because he ended up selling over $1 million worth of stock of Chase, and he also warned about this upcoming 2024. And one thing he warned is 7% interest rate, which if it's a 7% interest rate, the market's going to end up hurting from it. We haven't seen a 7% interest rate or a 1.5 hike since the 1990s. And it's going to take an effect. Not People aren't going to buy as much houses, people aren't going to buy as much things. What can you do in this type of situation? And even Jamie Dimon said you need diverse, telling people, hey, diverse. I'm not according to what I'm seeing, JP Chase did not rebuy stocks this first quarter. I guess in their own company, they didn't rebuy this year. Instead, they had an increase of sales in the first quarter, which is good, and they kept the cash and diluted it through the stock, which I believe it's a smart decision. Now, here's the article so y'all can see it. But JPCEO didn't sell some of his stakes in 2024, and it says he sells 1 million of his $8.6 million share. Now, do I think what he's doing is wrong? No, he's allowed to sell and buy wherever he wants. Just because he is CEO of JP Morgan does not mean we should limit him. He did all the right protocols. He went in and sold it. He's just a dude that has $8.6 million worth of share in JP Morgan, which he's the CEO of. Now, he is warning us to stay ahead and diversify our portfolio. And some of the things he tells us to do is to get into high yield saving accounts. Do I believe you should have a lot of money in high yield saving account? But no, but I think you should have your emergency funds and savings in there because it gives you a better return. He also said treasury bonds, which I agree to get some if you're getting closer to retirement and it helps reduce your risk. Real estate, of course, you should always own real estate. It just helps you out. And the fourth asset he told you to get to alternate assets. I take that as like Pokemon cards or Magic Gathering cards, just memorabilia that people will buy for. But you have to be tricky with the memorabilia. You have to pick certain assets that will make it. I don't know what you're gonna use as alternate assets, but I've been using Pokemon cards and Magic the Gathering as an alternate asset this year, and it's been working out pretty good. I got a pretty return from it. Um, it's just more of a physical holding the item. And here's the article that Jamie put out, and y'all should look into it, read it, understand. He did say on down here the four assets. I do agree with them. Y'all, everyone should diversify, get some in 2024. Everyone should diversify. Real estate will be hard, so you might have to get into REITs or something like that. But you should diversify. At the end of the day, diversify will help the most. Um, and here's the article about the reports first quarter of 2024 that everyone's complaining about. And I see it as record first quarter adjusted dilute earning per share from continued operation of 0.78 up to 28% from 0.61. So it shows that first quarter sales is up 550 million and it's 23% higher. So I'm unsure what everyone's talking about on this matter, but maybe it's just the AAR report, first fiscal quarter 2024. Um, they went up. Here's the next. Jamie Dimon is notorious for not saying what's going to happen in the future. And I agree with them. I can't predict it either, but I think next year we're going to hit a recession. Not a major recession. I think we're going to hit some sort of recession from everything that's happening. So, everyone, stay tuned and pay attention because it's going to hurt next year, and everyone should be prepared for 2024. Will it crash? I don't know. I'm not a financial expert. Get with your financial expert, and he should be able to help you adjust for the upcoming year. Now, I really do think that it will crash a little bit. Airbnb, rental market, everything will crash a little bit because all of a sudden everyone started asking for more whenever people's jobs in the area has not increased in salary as fast as some of these rents. So it's about time for it to all get caught up. The rental market's gonna take a hit just because everyone switched jobs in the last year or two, got higher paying jobs, don't like their job, dropped down to lower paying jobs. It's a whole bunch of stuff that happened, and I believe that we're just gonna get the repercussion now. And everyone who prepared and put money away will be in good health. Now, the people who went and blew out all their extra earnings, they might be hurting this year. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and have a great day.